Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to another tutorial. In this video I want to show you how you can make money from Clickbank products for free every single day. So you don't need any investment. You can have an investment if you want. I'll show you how you can do it with a bit of investing if you like. You might get a better outcome, you might not. But if you don't know what Clickbank is, it's simply a website where you promote products and get a commission. And you usually get quite a decent commission, 30-50% at least. And you can just promote products. So I'm just going to have a quick look through here. We've got some fitness products. I haven't signed into my account, but if we just have a look here, you've got fitness products. There's just so much stuff. So let's just say this one here, the 21-day sugar D, whatever that means, goes for $67, right? You would usually get half of that. So all you would need to do is make 1 or 2 sales a day to make a bit of a decent income coming in. So we'll just aim for $100 a day, and it can be achievable with this. And there's all sorts of different